Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I have a package here from Shine Sticker Studios. This is the company that you can find at Michael's, which is really nice, but I went online and I ordered a few things, so this is what I got, and I love how she personalized the sticker on the out of the envelope. And I'm so excited about these. They were so cute. And there's a little cute sticker there. And this says, cancel everything, and it has the coronavirus, which is appropriate. And this one as well, stay home, social distancing, essential worker, work from home, video chat, missing you. And then there is a discount card with her business card, very nice. And this cute die cut. And this one as well, this too shall pass. And then this one says, let's stay home, and has cute little stickers just staying at home, just chilling out, washing dishes, planning or playing with their planner, taking a bath with a glass of wine. Very fun. And then these are borders, or like dividers, I guess is a better word. And these are from Mean Girls, but this is what it looks like. So there's a little bit of a kiss cut, or like a bleed on the end, so it's not blurry at all or that big. But I thought they were really cute, so I just got those. And you can pick, on most of them, you can pick the girl's hair and face color, I think. I don't even know, but I'm pretty sure that's right. But I thought these were cute for work from home. And these are knitting stickers, which I need to be doing more of. I have kind of taken a little lapse in that, but they're adorable. Eat, sleep, plan. It's planner time. I love my planner. This is date night. These are hilarious because it's just me and Netflix and ice cream, which is very nice. That's appropriate for my kind of date night. Although I have my husband and we do go on dates, but some of my favorite ones are just hanging out by myself. These are sale stickers, work stickers, a set for 4th of July, just unicorns and the cute little girl, video conferencing, work from home, Zoom meetings. And then I got a Tiffany's kit, and it reminds me of Audrey Hepburn, so I love it. So cute. And I got the small kit, so it only has these 2 pages, but that is plenty for what I will use it for. I love it, love it, love it. Oh, so cute. And then this is one of those fold over ones, and I love these too. I don't know when I'll be able to use it because it's a movie one, and who knows when the movies are going to open up, but it says movie title, where, time, and with, and then you can fold it. So you put this one down and then you fold it over, and this is what will show on top of this. And then when you open it up, you'll have all the information, and you can even rate it or whatever over here. So I thought that was cute. And there's only 3 of them on this page, so I didn't get too many. And this is the same kind of a thing, and it's just on your planner, and you can just put whatever you want on it. I just thought it was cute. And I got some tabs for each of the months of the year, and you just fold these over and you can use them, you know, obviously as tabs. And I thought I would use those in, I don't remember what I wanted to use it in when I was thinking about them. Oh, maybe Katie's wedding planner. That might have been what my head was on. So there's those. And then these are tabs as well, and you can put in whatever you want on these tabs, and they gave you some ideas. So that's kind of neat. And then this is the other kit that I got, and it's just a stay home kit. Again, it's 2 pages. It says let's stay home, has them doing the planning, it has the house. It's just adorable. Her colors are beautiful, and they're just fun. She does a great job. So I highly recommend you checking out Shine Sticker Studio. Like she said in the thing, you can find them at Michael's, but some of these I've never seen at Michael's, so I don't know that everything is at Michael's, but there are some really cute ones at Michael's. Then there's obviously some really cute ones in her store as well. So check her out, and thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.